crybaby over here, well, he's suffering from a broke millionaire mindset, just like some of you. So we got some not-so-average financial tips for you, to fix your thinking. But make sure you hit the subscribe button first, so we can keep them coming your way. We gonna be in your face.
What's up, guys? My name is Sharon. Tell them who you are.
Is my ass too big?
Nope. No. He's got to go.
I ain't going nowhere.
He has got to go. He is going to get us thrown. You're going to get us thrown off of YouTube.
I'm sorry. Please don't fire me, Mr. YouTube.
Okay, I think we're good now, okay? Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for us, please. Give us a thumbs up, support us, help us get the message across to help some of you,
We're gonna be in your face.
change the way things are going for you financially. So, anyway, hit that subscribe button and we'll be back with financial tip number 2. Financial tip number 2. Please stop buying your kids these expensive clothes, expensive shoes, expensive toys when you know you cannot afford it.
You got bills, man.
Think about this. Instead of trying to keep up with the Joneses, why not do what it takes to become the Joneses, okay? Become the Joneses. Some of you care more about what others think of you than you do of your own financial status. And you know what that is?
Now that's a damn shame.
That's right. A damn shame.
Help him, Lord.
Man, you got bills, okay? Some of you
You
have
must be crazy.
bills coming out of the yin-yang, okay? I don't know what the yin-yang is, but you got bills coming out of them, okay?
Hello.
You have so many bills, you can't even sleep at night. But you would rather put your money in a place where it's not even beneficial to you. Buying these expensive shoes, okay? Toys, making other people rich while you get poor and poor, all right? All for the sake of looking good in the eyes of others.
Stuck in mediocrity.
What about you? What about your financial status?
Broke as hell.
What about your freedom and living the dream, living the life that you've always dreamed of living, okay? What about that? Let me ask you this. How many of you out there know people or know someone who would spend their last,
I know the types.
just to get that thing, that item, that whether it's a car, clothing, shoes, even a house, okay, that you know you cannot afford? How many of you know people like that would spend their last just to have others think that they've got it going on when they know they ain't got nothing going on? I know that's a double negative, but who cares?
Hello.
All right? But if you were to offer those same people an opportunity to become successful, financially stable, and it would cost them about $30, all hell will break loose.
Oh, Lord.
It's gotta be a scam. I'm not gonna waste my money on that. But you just wasted it anyway. When you bought those things that are of value to you mentally, but really does nothing for you in the long run. Do you understand what I'm saying? You need to learn how to put your money,
Invest in yourself.
or position your dollars where they will grow for you. They would benefit your life, in the long run, a long term, not just for now, just to look good in the eyes of others, just to become or keep up with the Joneses, because you're not the Joneses. You're only the Joneses if you invest your money wisely. Those are the Joneses. All right, that's how they became the Joneses. And who in the hell coined the Joneses? The ones to beat, Where'd that come from? Anyway, that's not important. All right, I'm getting off track. Now, if you are tired of keeping up the appearances of being the Joneses, having it going on, so to speak, do me a favor and click on the link below if you want a real opportunity. It will take you to a video which will present to you an opportunity to do those things that I just listed. Okay? But this is only if you decide to put in the work. This is not a get rich quick scheme. All right? This is an opportunity. If you want change, you're going to have to change the way you think. You can't pretend. It's a facade. It's not even real. At night, you can't even sleep at night because you've wasted all of your money on things that are not of value. Do you understand? Watch that video in its entirety, okay? And you decide what you're going to do with that information, that knowledge. No one's gonna pressure you. This is all
you better make that money
in your hands, okay? Because no one can change your life but you. All right? So if you enjoyed this video or the content, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And yes, go ahead and leave us a comment. We'll be replying to some of these comments, whether they're haters or those that are in favor or appreciate the information that they're getting. So go ahead and do that for us, and we will see you on the next video.
Click the link.
Click the link. See ya.